Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sandy and Mia.
Hi.
Today we're going to be celebrating one of the colors of the rainbow. Do you know which color? What color is it inside of there?
Orange.
Yeah, so we're going to be talking about orange vegetables and orange fruits and why they're good for you. So the first thing we're going to do is peel the sweet potato, and you don't actually have to peel it.
Unless you have a peeled potato, then you're all set.
Then you'd be all set.
Yeah.
So after we peel it, we're going to cut it up into sticks, and we're going to make healthy sweet potato French fries. And we have two kinds of healthy ketchups that we're going to talk about. So, eating the rainbow.
Eating the rainbow.
And there's different colors. Do you want to show them all the different colors of the rainbow on there?
Yeah, so there's green, orange, red, yellow, blue, and then we have a tomato. So we have these two.
So those are good red fruits. While I'm peeling this, I have a game. Underneath this towel, and you can't peek, and I want you to guess what other kinds of fruits and vegetables are orange. You have to guess what's underneath the towel.
Oranges, papaya.
Ta-da! An orange.
Ooh,
What else?
a papaya.
No. But you're right. Those are orange, but I don't have
Can I
it.
eat this?
Of course you can
Thank
eat
you.
that. What other kind of vegetables are orange?
Carrot,
Ta-da!
pepper.
Ta-da!
No.
These are all orange vegetables. And there's one more. You picked it up, but it's green on the outside and orange on the inside. Do you know what it is? It's a
Wait. Oh!
acorn squash. Right. The
Yeah.
same thing. What is in orange sweet potatoes anyway that makes them nutritious?
Vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin C, potassium,
Mm-hmm.
fiber, calcium, and iron.
Calcium and iron. Because they have all those things, they're good for what in our body? Can you read that?
Good for immune system, eyes, and heart.
Yeah. So, and everyone knows like, oh, vitamin A is good for your eyes, but it's also good for your heart and your immune
Like
system.
carrots.
Yeah, like carrots. Good. And what is it about sweet potatoes that makes them orange?
They're orange because they have beta-carotene.
Right. Beta-carotene. Ooh, there's something funky on that one.
No.
We're going to say, no thank you.
So there's something funky in there. You're going to cut it off. But
All
you
right.
do need a grown-up for this part.
Yeah. Because why?
Because you can chop your fingers off, then you'll be like this. Hi, everybody.
Inside, it's like this beautiful orange color. Yeah, so that cookbook is the inspiration for this recipe.
Can I have a body inside?
Yeah, you can show everyone Bodhi. So this is the cookbook
Wait, body.
called 4 Ways to Yummy by
This
Heidi
is our
Horace.
dog. I need help.
There's Bodhi.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry.
Bodhi's like, please don't do that again.
I know.
I did not enjoy that. All right, so now we're gonna take our sticks and season them so they
What
taste good.
sticks? Oh, those sticks.
Hold it open. We're gonna put these in here. Now, sprinkle them with this.
Tell me when it's good.
Go ahead. Okay, that's good. Whoa!
Now we're going to go with paprika.
That will come out slower.
You sure about that?
No. Okay. Typically you go like this, like sprinkle, 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 not pour. All right. How about a little pepper and salt?
Okay, I know how to do this one.
Good job. Good
Four.
job. Same turn direction.
Okay, we're all good.
Now, oh, and then
Flour.
juice of, it's actually arrowroot, sorry. It's like cornstarch. It's gonna make everything stick to the sticks. I keep calling them carrots. All right, now we're gonna close this up Not any good, right? No,
It's
it's
not.
not for taste. All right, shake this
I
up.
would never try that again.
Shake her up. You want to shake it up until all the spices are all tossed around. All right, now dump it onto our air fryer tray.
Wait, is that hot?
Nope.
Okay, so you're gonna. So you want a non-heated one?
Right. Ah, carrot down.
On my shirt.
All right, spread them out. They all have to breathe,
Breathing,
so they can't be touching,
breathing.
or they won't get crispy.
So they need to be crispy enough to hear that nice, satisfying crunch.
And now we're gonna pop them in the air fryer.
Yeah. And then we'll talk about how and why you need to live.
In the air fryer, 400 degrees, and we'll check them in 15 minutes. But first I want to see, which one do you like better? I'm not gonna tell you which one's which.
Okay,
So you can just go.
I don't. Wait. I kind of like this one better. So I think I know which one is which. So this one is that one.
Actually, this one is this one. They're both ketchup, but healthy kinds of ketchup. They don't have sugar added. This one, True Made, has tomato puree with carrots, butternut squash, and some spices. And this one just has tomato and vinegar and some spices. So they're just really good for you, but they're naturally sweet without adding all the sugar. So love that. We'll come back when our fries are done. So halfway through the cooking, we want to turn them so they get all the sides get crispy. Okay, they've all been flipped and they're going back in for another 5 minutes.
So if you guys don't know who I am, I'm Mia from Plant Docs, and we are making some nice fries that we just flipped over. And while they're cooking, we decided to eat some apples, make this short, and show our dogs. So, and they both, one's a husky and one's a pup. And then they both want some apples.
Do you want to say hello?
Speak.
Really? Really?
They're done. And
So this is
hello,
hot.
everyone.
I'm gonna, excuse me, I'm gonna put the hot
Burn.
sweet potato French fries here, and we're gonna try them with the different ketchups.
So I have this Bob. Name it Bob. Name it a Bob. Gonna eat it.
Which ketchup?
I tried this one.
Okay.
5 out of 10. And then try that.
They're so good.
Oh,
Maybe a little too much garlic,
yeah.
but they're yummy. Delicious. And good. Bye, everyone.
Wait, I didn't make a joke. So, I think I know why they call it sweet potato.
Why?
Because when they ask for a date, they always say yes.
Aww.